Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload to redbubble.com. It's a print-on-demand website where you can upload your design to t-shirts, journals, mugs, and this is just a great place just to have a design work and just to upload it to get some products. So we're at redbubble.com, and once you are in the website, you're going to go to sign up for an account, and it's pretty easy process. So I'm going to click on this. And when you sign up, you want to go to Artist Sign Up. So once you're on the sign up page, you're going to fill in your email, your shop name, and your password, and then you're going to get signed up. And you should get some kind of email confirmation after that. Once you are logged in and have your account ready, you're going to go to the right top corner, and your account picture should be up there. And so you're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on Add New Work. So here it says add new work. You're going to go to the left bottom corner. It says upload new work. Click on it and then get your file. I should also mention to you about the file requirements as well. It says we recommend high resolution JPEG, PNG, or GIF files with a minimum of 1000 px resolution. For more help, check out our design guide. So I do recommend looking at the file requirements to see what kind of resolution that you need and the file type. Once you have this down, you can add the new work for Redbubble. So I'm going to click on this right now. So I just uploaded my design and it's right here on the left side. And if you see that I'm scrolling here, it says replace image. So if you got the wrong file, then you can click on this and replace the image. So my title is obviously quarantine and coffee. So that's what I'm going to write on the title. After that, I want to put in 15 tags. And I know this because I can click on this little icon here. So I'm going to click on this area and just type in 15 relevant tags. To help you with the tags, the ones I use is Keywords Everywhere, and it's a Google extension for Chrome, and this is one of them I use. It's the first one I would use. The second one I would use is Keyword Surfer, very similar to Keywords Everywhere, and with both of these, they give you just tons of tags ideas. So if you're a little bit lost on what kind of tags to put, I would use these two. Another one you can use as well is called Redbubble Tag Generator, and this one is a great way to get a generated list of tags. It's called Merch Titans Automation, and then after that you just go to the bottom right here. You have to sign up for an account, I believe, and then just input the keyword. So for my example, I'm gonna just put quarantine. So as you can see here, it says tags output. I got the tags that were generated. So if you just scroll down, you can see how many times it was used for occurrences and all the tags that is relevant to the quarantine keyword. So you just want to look through this and just input the ones that are relevant. And I would just be mindful of using the ones that are just related to your keyword. So for example, I don't think I would put fashion in there. I would not put smile. Just put the ones that are relevant. I believe in the past I've used this Merch Titans automation and I didn't really pay attention to these tags and I just used it, and I believe I got flagged or Redbubble contacted me, and so I had to change all of my tags that were flagged. So just be careful when you use this. So I just input my tags. I believe there's 15 in here. So I encourage you to put 15 tags once you're finished. Just make sure to count them all. And you want to do that just so for the search results, people can find your product. So the next thing we're going to do is go to description, and we're just going to write in a story, explain about this quote that I put, and just write anything you want to just sell the product. The next thing you want to do is go to background color. You want to go to this color right here and just go to black for this item. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is make sure you want to go to the correct color for all the background colors. So it says right here, choose a universal background color for all your products. And so the one I'm going to use is black, just because my text, it just looks better in black background. So just make sure to click the correct color. So I'm just going to do black right here. Now this is the most important part where you're actually going to just upload to the products. So these are the preview versions. So you want to make sure to enable the ones that you want. Feel free to just scroll down and look at the ones that you want to enable. Ideally speaking, you want every single product to be enabled so you have more chances of selling. But however, if it doesn't look like the product looks good, I wouldn't upload to them. So the first one I'm going to do is the standard print clothing. So let's go to edit. And for this one, I feel like black is going to look better. So I'm going to click on black. So then I'm going to go to this next check mark right here. And you're going to see that kids clothing, kids pullover hoodie, and toddler pullover hoodie is unchecked. Usually Redbubble will not check these for you. However, I do recommend that you check them. So I'm going to click on them. The next thing you want to realize is the markup here. Usually I do leave it at default at 20%, but some people want to go lower because Redbubble is a bit expensive, but you can do 10%. So just for kicks here, I'm just going to do 10% on this one. So now the prices are a little bit cheaper, and let's just do it for another one. And let's say you want to go even higher. So for whatever reason, you want the toddler pullover hoodie to be higher. So let's go to 30. And let's go to another one where it says relax fit t-shirt. I don't know why anybody would pay for this, but I'm going to go 50. Now it's $27, as you can see. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to click apply changes. And the next one you want to do is the large print clothing. You want to click edit, and same thing, click on the default color. I'm going to do a darker one, but let's do blue or gray. And this one looks good to me right here. You want to scale the image so you can make this bigger or smaller. I do recommend to try to make it bigger if you can, just to make sure everything is easily seen. So I'm going to do center horizontally and vertically, maybe a little smaller. This looks good. Maybe bring it up a little bit. Make sure to center it again. I clicked on the gear icon here to make sure everything's checked. Everything looks good. Again, if you want to do the markup changes, so you can change it as well. I'm going to press apply changes. Okay, that looks good. Let's go to the next one. So this is for a cap. Make sure to scale the image. Make sure it looks good. Center horizontally and vertically. Click on the default color. For this one, I'm going to do this darker color black here. Click on the gear icon. This looks good. And you want to go back up just to check what it looks like. It looks like it's a little too small, so let me just scale it. I feel that that looks a little bit better, so I'm going to click apply changes. So from here on out, I hope that you got the idea of how to enable a product and edit a product. So I'm just going to skip through and fast forward just to show you what it looks like. Alright, so I just finally finished on uploading to all the products that I wanted to do. I want to talk about the ones that I did not upload to. So let me just scroll down here. First off, it's the dress. I just felt like it was not appropriate for just to have words for this dress right here. If it was a pattern design, maybe I would put it. Or if something was funny or something that was more appropriate for the dress, maybe I would put it there. But I just felt like it didn't look good. Next up is on the bottom right here. Same idea with the skirt. Didn't feel as appropriate just to have words there. I didn't think it looked good. And so as you can see, for me, if it just doesn't look good, I don't put it there. For the water bottle, I felt like the text was just kind of hard to see, even though you can probably still see it, but I just felt like it was not good for this color. Next up is the cotton tote bags. Same idea, I can't see it. For the jigsaw puzzles, definitely I did disable it because it's a puzzle. Basically, it'd just be all black pieces. I hypothetically can use the pattern version right here. Maybe I can get away with it. Maybe I can get away with it to do this and it'll look like this. But again, it's just a bunch of words on a puzzle. I'd rather have a picture or patterns on it. And so for that reason, I disabled it. At the bottom, you're going to see leggings, socks, backpacks, and duffel bags. I disabled all of them too because I felt like I needed a pattern design or some kind of background image. So as you can see, a lot of these right here and the ones that were not enabled, if they were pictures or if they were pattern designs, then yes, I would have uploaded to them. So that's something to keep in mind. You don't always have to do text-based designs or text and pictures. You can just do a background image and you can upload to these products. After you upload it to all the products, you want to go to media, select 2, and just choose the ones that are relevant. So for me, I believe it's design and illustration, and I'm going to do digital art. I'm going to go to collections, and these are the collections I input on the back end. You can do this in your account. These are pretty much just categories. So for me, I did text, so I'm just going to press text. And I do want to mention for collections, I don't believe you have to do this. So don't worry about this if you don't have it already set. So the next one says default product in your shop. I'm going to do optimize, and then I'm going to do anybody for who can view this work. Is this mature content? Obviously no. So I'm going to press no. And then after that, I'm going to click on this checkbox. Then save work.